All right, folks, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty Investments, your easy bake way of life expert. So if you ever wondered about the home buying process, well, thanks for clicking this video. So we're going to talk about a quick, easy steps that you can take to get into your home buying process so you can live the easy bake way of life. So as everybody know, I got sickle cell anemia. I done been homeless a few times, so that's why I love doing this business. I done been to prison. So if I can lead an easy bake life, you can lead an easy bake life. It's nothing for you. So we're gonna get you on board. We're gonna talk about some easy steps that you can unlock your easy bake life. So one, we gotta go find you a realtor. Of course, that's me. So you ain't gotta go no more. Don't even worry about that no more. So then we're gonna come to your house, or you're gonna come to me, and we're gonna analyze your needs in a consultation. So we're gonna find out exactly how you like living the easy bake life for free. Two, next, we're gonna obtain some pre-qualification. Unless you're willing to get some, you got family or you got some creative financing, we're gonna go to the bank and we're gonna make sure that you're right, and we're gonna take those easy steps. So if you need help on credit building or anything else, don't worry, we can also take care of that. You won't have to worry about nothing. When you live the easy bake life, we make everything simple. You don't have to do much of anything. We take you from point A to point B, which is your dream home, to unlock your family's generational wealth. So as we know, that's the true definition of wealth. He who has the goal makes the rules. So if you don't own something, you don't really make no rules. So next, we're gonna select some properties. So we ain't finna take forever for buying any property. But we can take as long as y'all want. I'm gonna do whatever I can to make sure you're right. Next, we're gonna view the properties. So we're gonna go do a couple showings or whatever. After you sign a buyer agency agreement and hire me, we're gonna go see some stuff, and we're gonna get them juices flowing so you can see how easy it is for you to live the easy bake life. So next, we're gonna write an offer to purchase. Offer to purchase means we gotta make a bid on the house. We're gonna see what's going on with the house. Next we're gonna negotiate any counter offers. So if the buyer decides they want to do something different, we're gonna do that. Next, we're gonna accept the contract. Next, we're gonna complete the mortgage application. So just because you got pre-approval doesn't mean you're actually approved for a mortgage.